been fighting my entire life. It's what I was put here to do.
Conor is the most famous guy in the octagon. Is he the best fighter?
I remind him every day, you don't have anything to prove.
Oh, that looks good!
I'm extremely proud of what I've done and motivated to keep going.
He's in his 30s now, he's a family man. People say, well, does he have the hunger anymore?
There's a saying, reasonable men never achieved anything. And Conor's a very unreasonable man.
Let's fucking go.
Eventually, you know, the fighting will end. But Conor wants to prove that he's the baddest man on the planet.
I came back for the love of this, to come and shoot this man up.
You're going to face setbacks.
Comes B, and that's that.
It's how you respond when it doesn't go your way.
His leg is broken, and that's definitely a hard one to take.
It's Conor McGregor's done.
Imagine it was just taken from me like that.
You can't continue losing like this.
I would be a different person.
People were saying, that's it. It's over.
This life, it's an up and down mental game. I'm gonna fight for me. I don't let defeat faze me. The true champions rise again. It's McGregor forever. And don't you forget it.